County, Spencer, Indiana. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:30 a.m. for southeastern Spencer and northeastern Davis counties. At 12:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rockport, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Spencer and northeastern Davis counties, including the following locations: Whiteman. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:30 a.m. for the following counties: Spencer, Indiana, and Davis, Kentucky. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of southern Warwick, Spencer, eastern Henderson, Davis, northwestern Muhlenberg, northeastern Credit, north central Caldwell, McLean, southeastern and western counties through 15 a.m. At 12:24 a.m., Delta radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from Richmondville to Sherwood Lines to areas that will be 50 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. This is a radar indicator.
So you got a relay on WBKR. Maybe.
At 12:53 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rockport, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Yeah, they won't relay it. Oh, there they go. Go for it.
Authority has issued severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties or areas: Spencer, Indiana, at 12:53 a.m. on December 6, 2021, effective until 1:38 a.m. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 1:30 a.m. CST for southeastern Spencer and northeastern Davis counties. At 12:53 a.m. CST, the severe thunderstorm was located near Rockport, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Spencer and northeastern Davis counties, including the following locations: Wademan. Hail threat, radar indicated max hail size, less than 0.75 in wind threat, radar indicated max wind gust, 60 miles per hour. A tornado watch remains in effect until 400 am CST for northwestern Kentucky. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Strong thunderstorm